In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your mobile with Mcafee security. Staying safe online is more important than ever, especially when it comes to your mobile devices, which have become extensions of our daily lives. Mcafee Total Protection offers a comprehensive solution to keep your data secure. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your mobile is protected. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mcafee Total Protection website. Entering the site, you'll find a range of options for managing your security. This is the first crucial step to ensuring your device is safeguarded from potential threats. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future. Once on the Mcafee Total Protection page, the next action you'll need to take is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Creating one is a user-friendly process that ensures all your devices are linked and easily managed from a single dashboard. This centralization is key for seamless updates and consistent security checks. After logging in, navigate to your Mcafee home. This dashboard serves as the command center for your protection strategy. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring that you can manage your settings and explore features without any hassle. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout, as it will guide you to your security controls. From the Mcafee home, you'll want to look for and click on the Device option. This section allows you to manage the security settings specifically for the device you're using. By selecting your mobile device, you can customize the protection features according to your personal needs and the types of data you handle daily. Now, click on Antivirus to access the settings that will keep your device safe from malware and viruses. This feature scans your mobile for any potential threats and neutralizes them before they can cause any harm. Regularly updating and checking your antivirus settings can help you stay one step ahead of new threats that arise in the digital world. Finally, select Download on this device. This step ensures that the Mcafee Security Suite is installed on your phone, enabling constant, real-time protection. The download process is straightforward, and once complete, your mobile will be continuously protected from threats such as malware, phishing attacks, and other security risks. Following these steps will enhance your mobile device's security, giving you peace of mind as you navigate your digital life. Keeping your software updated and regularly reviewing your security settings are great habits to form. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying informed and prepared is the best way to protect yourself online.